Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Fall is in full swing, my favorite season, and I'm super excited to show you today how to make 3 of my favorite overnight oat recipes. These overnight oat recipes are all inspired by fall. We've got a maple overnight oats recipe, a cinnamon apple overnight oats recipe, and a pumpkin spice overnight oats. Overnight oats are the best because they're so quick and easy to make. You're gonna see this is a short video because these take hardly any time at all, but also there's no dishes involved. You literally make and eat everything in this jar. You don't have to dirty up any dishes. It's truly the best recipe. So if you're not great at cooking or you tend to mess everything up, these recipes are for you. So don't go anywhere. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited to learn how to make these recipes, and hit that subscribe button so you can join the best family ever. Our first recipe is going to be maple cinnamon overnight oats. We're gonna start with 1 cup of rolled oats. You're just going to put this in any type of mason jar or container that can go in the refrigerator. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of milk to that. You can do any kind of milk. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now screw on the lid to your jar and give it a good shake. One of the reasons I love overnight oats so much is because you have 0 dishes to clean up. You literally make everything in the jar, it stays in the jar, you shake it in the jar, and you eat it out of the jar. Oh my gosh, it's not done. I forgot the main ingredient. You guys, I'm dying. This is maple cinnamon overnight oats, and I completely forgot to add the maple syrup, which is what makes it the maple cinnamon overnight oats. Okay, so we've got our oats, our milk, our cinnamon, our vanilla, and finally 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. Y'all, this is funny. This is not the first time I have done this. Comment down below if you've ever been cooking and got all the way to the end and realized you forgot the main ingredient. Okay, now she's done. The next one we're going to make is cinnamon apple overnight oats. This one might be my personal favorite just because I love cinnamon apples so much. We're gonna start off just like we did the last one with 1 cup of oats into our mason jar. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of milk. This time I'm using almond milk, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a little splash of maple syrup just for some sweetness, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Now before we add our apples in, we're just gonna screw on the lid and shake this up to get everything combined. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna add half of a chopped Honeycrisp apple, or whatever your favorite apple is. We're gonna put this right on top. Oh, making a mess. Perfect. Then screw our lid back on, and this puppy is ready to go in the fridge. The last overnight oats recipe is going to be a pumpkin spice overnight oats, just fitting for the season. Same thing as last time, 1 cup of rolled oats into our mason jar, 1 cup of any kind of milk. Now we're gonna need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of canned pumpkin puree. Depending on how much you like the taste of pumpkin, you can decide how much you want to put in. I think I'm just gonna do 2 big scoops, a tiny splash of vanilla, half a tablespoon of brown sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you could also just use cinnamon. Oh my gosh, this one smells so yummy. That's it. We're just gonna screw on our lid, give it a good shake, and she's ready to go. All right, get them all lined up here. They're looking snazzy. I still can't get over how quick and easy these were to make. And now all you have to do is pop them in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight, and you've got a yummy, healthy breakfast ready and waiting for you in the morning. I hope you loved learning how to make these simple overnight oats recipes and that it inspired you to try something new for breakfast this fall. I know that I cannot wait to try these. Comment down below if you do and which one is your favorite, and also leave a suggestion for any other kinds of recipes or videos you want to see here on this channel. I'm so thankful to be able to do live with you. Thank you for tuning in this week. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video made you smile, and subscribe so you can become part of the best family ever. We'll see you next time. Bye.